Bang Ni Tou, which in English means help you invest, is an inclusive robo-advisory service found in the Alipay app and is provided by a partnership between Vanguard and Ant Group. Since its launch in April 2020, Bang Ni Tou has already grown within a year to serve 1 million plus users in China. What makes Bang Ni Tou so inclusive? Well, previously, such services were only available to a small number of the very wealthy in China. But Bang Ni Tou aims to make high-quality robo-advisory services accessible to the wider public, setting its investment threshold to as low as 800 RMB or $120. Users at just about any level of income can also learn to become savvy investors from the get-go through inclusive live streams, newsletters, weekly reports, and discussion forums within the Bang Ni Tou platform. Services such as Bang Ni Tou play a role in educating Chinese consumers about investing for the long term, bringing them greater options to diversify their savings.